Good morning everybody, welcome back to cilinixfxcapital. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video right here on Solana, a post-mortem, well not post-mortem, but obviously an update after a very hectic weekend. We spoke about Solana I think on Saturday still. Yesterday I did not do an update, but Saturday the price was right here. It had broken down below the POC right here at 142, 140, so what we said in that video, if I remember correctly, is that, you know, if we actually wanted to get some stability back, we'd needed to break above 142. Well, obviously, because of the fundamentals and the development and the continuation of in general the situation in the Middle East, that did not continue. And Solana started dropping down. But in my Solana videos, we have spoken about this level right here, around 125 quite often. We hit that level. Now, to be completely honest with you, yesterday during the crash, I did start to buy some Bitcoin, and in the Signal group we also started to buy some Bitcoin. But with Solana, I was and still am a little bit more greedy, because a lot of you know, and we'll get to my thoughts on Solana in a moment, right? We'll do a full analysis, don't worry. But I think it's relevant to talk a little bit about Solana fundamentally here. I think fundamentally Solana, you know, of course, a lot of cryptos are overvalued, right? And the market caps in crypto don't really make sense. But in this framework that market caps have within crypto, which, you know, is overvalued in general, but within that framework, I would say that Solana is undervalued, all right? Solana, and I looked it up this morning, it's still doing amazing in terms of DEX trading volumes. Now, I have to say, and this is something I've already known for a long time, but the DEX trading volumes across different sources, so different platforms where you can check on-chain activity, etc. It's different, right? But you can still see, if you take a look at Solana right here, if you look at the DEX trading volumes, like compare the DEX trading volumes right here to what we had last summer when Solana was trading at the same prices, and at this point of time it's higher, right? The DEX trading volumes and network activity, it's just higher. Chain revenue is higher. Wait, I should actually do something like this. Oh wait, no, that's actually not true. Chain revenue is lower. So that is something to take into account. But you can see app revenue is higher. DEX trading volumes are higher. TVL is around. Is it? No, TVL is actually higher as well, as you can see. Well, the prices are at the same price as last year. And then we're most likely going to get a Solana ETF this year, right? So I think we're at the same prices as last year, right? If you take a look at the price action last year, maybe even specifically to this date, you can see the prices were also at 134, but the fundamentals are better, right? So therefore, that's the main reason I want to buy Solana. However, I would say if you take a look at the price action over the course of the weekend, when we're talking about the fundamentals around the market right now, do I think this is a good area to buy Solana? No, even though I think it's quite likely that we'll see further recovery, I still think with these fundamentals and with the weakness, we still have too high of a risk, at least, to have one further drop right here into 115, maybe even 110. I mean, if you go to the weekly time frame, we have a massive support level right here, as you can see, around 110, and that is an area I like a lot. So I'm being greedy for that level. I think short term, you know, can we expect recovery here if we go to the shorter time frames? Yes. But ultimately, I don't see enough strength to facilitate an uptrend. I think the bullish momentum will be capped at 144, where we have the 7 and 90-day rolling VWAP, but also the point of control of the range. And from there, I think we'll have a further drop into that level at 124 and 115, with a potential to spike down a bit lower. I would say that's the best way to view Solana right here. And if the fundamentals change, I mean, if we get de-escalation, we can easily break out and rally, right? That is true. But at this moment, that doesn't seem most likely. So therefore, that's what I think. That's what I think you need to know. So if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. Take care and bye.